biker claimed the glaring sun caused him to miss the red light. Unfortunately, he rode through it, sparking frustration in a white SUV driver who decided to give chase.
Don't do that again! I am sorry. Hold on. I didn't see it. You don't do that again. I didn't see it. Relax, I didn't see it. Don't tell me, relax. Don't tell me to relax. You want to relax? You want to relax? You want to relax? Come on. Okay, roll.
This biker's friend couldn't just stand by and watch the chaos unfold. Fueled by loyalty and adrenaline, he jumped into the action to defend his buddy, turning the situation into an unforgettable showdown.
Wait, you guys don't know. You guys don't need to. Boy, I got a camera. What's going on now? Why you got the ass people? Jump like you don't ever put the hand on you. Lay there. Walk. Right now. Wait. Tell you about it. Get the out of here. No, you got my get the out of here. Get the out of here. I want my phone. Come on. Boy. You get this thing. Go get this phone. Crap. Huh? You go get it. Go fucking get it. Why you go get it? Give me here. Take your phone. Come on, take your helmet off. Yeah. What? Take off your helmet. You want to bite the right? You almost hit my car with your truck. You got I almost clipped you and killed you. I told you I'm sorry, but you hit me first. Won't, bro. I'm not scared, bro. I'm not scared of you either. 1, 2, 3, go. Bro. It was one-on-one. You think I'm scared of you? I'm not scared of you. Huh? I'm not scared of you. Go get your friend and get the fuck out of there, right? Go. Take it, no. They ever want to be, boy. They ever want to be. Because you fucking hit that on now. I don't give a f***. I don't hit you. You can't hit his helmet, right? You want to slap him and make your f***ing call. That's alright. You put the f***ing down first. I'm on my phone, man. Go get your phone and get the f*** out of here. You're not getting a kid. Let's go. What is that? MD723. Is this I have everything on video. I got you on video too. I got you. You attacked me first. You also my car. It doesn't matter. You attacked me first. Look, man, you know I'm kicking out by myself. You know that. But it's really. No, you were. No, let's go. Me and you.
Later, the cops arrived on the scene, and the driver ended up in handcuffs. Now, here's a question for you. Do you have a friend who would jump in without hesitation to have your back? Let us know in the comments. This guy in the silver car seemed to have it out for the biker. First, he came dangerously close to hitting one of them. And just when you think it couldn't get worse, he pulls an even crazier stunt. You've got to see this.
Arrêtez de me voler la vie de ma mère et de faire les votes en moto parce que je vais tous vous enculer.
Ça va, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Dis à tes collègues qu'ils arrêtent de faire les votes, je vais tous vous enculer un pareil.
D'accord, ça va.
Arrête de me voler, je vais t'éclater.
Casse-toi. Oh, c'est bon, t'arrêtes, c'est bon.
Faites attention.
C'est bon.
Je vais vous enculé.
This biker said he was warming up his tires by weaving left and right, staying in his lane. But the guy behind him couldn't handle it and, during an aggressive overtake, nearly caused an accident. Watch what happens when the biker catches up to him.
What the f*** are you doing? Are you tired? What the f***? Do you want to get back in your car?
No.
Do you want to get back in?
No, I don't.
Fuck you jumping out your car? I'm going like I'm supposed to.
You're going all over the road. Can you tell me why you're doing it?
Because I'm warming up my tyres. It doesn't matter what I'm doing.
It does, because you're not driving like you're supposed to be.
I can do what I want. I'm in my lane. I can do what I want.
You can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, why am I supposed to stick to this side of the road?
Yes, you are.
Exactly, you're f***ing stupid. What? Oh, do something. Do something. I swear to touch me. Touch me. I swear to fucking God. Touch. Oh. You're gonna fucking regret this. Let go. Let fucking go. Let fucking go. Let fucking go. Don't fucking touch me. Touch me one more time, you're gonna regret it. I'm gonna smash your fucking window. Get back in your fucking car. Fuck off. Fucking idiot. Touch me.
You're not supposed to swerve all over the road.
Off.
No, you.
Get off. Don't touch.
Back here.
Later, the cops were called, but unfortunately, we don't have any updates on what happened next. This close call ended up much differently than you would expect. Sometimes bikers aren't the ones starting the fight. They're the ones stepping in to stop it. Just like in this clip, where a biker becomes the unexpected peacemaker.
Abi sakin olun, ne yapıyorsun? Bırak ulan! Abi yapma, sakin ol abi. Abi ne yapıyorsunuz mübarek günde, sakin olun.
Getirilmez, silah getirilmez. Vurma! Sakin! Herkes sakin olsun. Çocuğum. Tamam, dağıl, yok bir şey. Ne oluyor oğlum burada? Yok bir şey. Geçin. Kim bu baba?
Baba değil, tamam baba lütfen.
Kim bu baba?
Hayda. Yediğiniz bok mu sizin ya?
Here's another clip of the same biker finding himself in a similar situation. It seems this kind of thing happens quite often in Turkey.
Ne oluyor her gün kavga amına koyayım?
Tamam. Ya baba. Ya baba. Allah kahretsin ya.
Ya beyler sakin ol abi.
Ya Himmet tamam.
Araba gidiyor ya. Abi dur. Hop. Abi sakin ol, ne yapıyorsun?
Sen kimsin? Sen öldün.
Gel.
Otur yerine. Gel öldür bak. Hiçbir şey olmaz.
A man has been hanging around a pedestrian bridge near a local high school, reportedly behaving inappropriately towards students. People in local Facebook groups shared that he's been doing this for a while and was even arrested before but released. When he targeted this biker's daughter, he decided to step in and put a stop to it. This biker was attacked completely unprovoked. Check out what happened next.
Cât de mulți pe ăsta. Vai de capul meu. Deci nu știu, cred că omul din spatele meu are o problemă, că merg eu mai încet. Înțelegi? Și că merg eu mai încet. Băi! Dar ce s-a întâmplat?
Ia pune-l mai frână în față!
Da, seara, că s-a întâmplat ceva. Nu. Da. Da, stai că sunt la poliție.
Bine, m-am înțeles, așa, unde trăiți, bă? Așa e bine frumos?
Bună ziua! Stai aici! Un om mi-a dat un pumn în cap.
Just before this biker turned on his GoPro, the driver of the truck ahead insulted him and then sped off. The biker quickly started recording and went after him. Let's see what he had to say.
What'd you say? What'd you say, mate?
What about?
You shouted something.
Not you, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, not you, I didn't.
Did I? Was it just me hearing it?
Don't fucking shout at you.
One of you two shouted or something.
Get your bikes off the road, mate. You don't need to sit and fucking shout at each other
Was we indicated?
What?
Did we have...
You don't need to all like that.
Well, I wasn't, was I? So no need to shout at me, was there?
Don't fucking like that, mate.
I didn't, did I? So why aren't you telling him that? Why aren't you telling him that then? Idiot. We don't think we're big, but you don't need to say something. I didn't, did I? I didn't, did I?
Yeah.
So why are you shouting at me? Shout at them two who did.
Next time I ram you off the fucking road.
Well, ram her off the road then. But I don't care, ram us off the road. Do it then. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. What's here?